you are the only one today in the class. Okay, so we are going to learn everything.
Only one?
Yes,
Only me?
yes.
Oh,
Hmm. Because today I received four messages. Four messages.
yes.
Yes. So I was thinking like,
So,
so four message I got, and you are the only one who is going to attend the class because Iram Khan is also not coming, and Sheikh Asif, his grandfather is sick and he is in the hospital, and Abu Bakr's examination is ongoing, so he is not attending the class. Okay.
yes, yes.
Yes. So like these are the these were some regular students like Iram Rizvi and Madiha Chaudhary, Abdur Rahman and Hamdan.
Mm,
So they all
yes, yes. I
messaged.
know.
Okay. Yes. So today
Mm,
we are going to learn, and we are going to start our class. Okay. So
yes,
let me
yes.
share the screen, and you didn't uh, you didn't read the new rule.
Yes,
Okay. So yes, you can start applying.
yes.
You can start applying.
Apply.
Yes. What was the new rule which I have put in the group?
Uh,
Are you aware
wait,
about it?
wait. Uh, uh, Today send, I think, yesterday announcement for rules,
No.
right?
I'm talking about today, like before 5 minutes. One rule I have pasted. Have you seen it or not? If you didn't see, let's see. Okay?
Yes.
Don't worry. Don't worry about it. Let's see. Then we are going to apply.
Hmm.
Hmm.
आज हमने न्यूज़ भी पढ़ी है, रिकॉर्डिंग भी भेज दी है, और
Hmm.
बाकी जो एरर थे उसमें, जैसे न्यूज़ हम पढ़ रहे थे उसमें बहुत सारे ऐसे मीनिंग्स थे जो नहीं समझ में आ रहे थे, उनको
Hmm.
हम जाकर गूगल पर और वही प्रोनाउंसिएशंस के साथ उसको हम देख रहे थे। तो
Okay.
अच्छा लग रहा था, एक शौक बढ़ रहा था, मतलब आध घंटा हम सोचे थे 10-12 मीनिंग्स हैं, तो उनको देखने में आई थिंक 15 मिनट लगेंगे जो
Hmm.
जो आते जा रहे थे, बट आध घंटा कब चला गया पता ही नहीं लगा।
Hmm.
But this is rule is very wonderful, I think, for me.
Hmm. Which rule?
Which rule? Yes.
ये recording, voice recording.
No, voice recording is important, but news, reading and hard word, and search chat GPT, pronunciation, speaking,
Hmm.
हार्ड वर्ड, मतलब मुश्किल लफ्ज़ ढूँढ के चैट जीपीटी पे जाके उसके प्रोनाउंसिएशन को सुनना, किस तरह से बोला जाता है।
Hmm. Okay. Good. So yes, congratulations. You have done all these things, and you are going to get results. Okay. So yes, this is a new rule which I have pasted in the group. So let's read it and apply it. Okay. So
यस,
important class rule. Camera open.
ओके।
From the beginning of
को
every class, keeping your camera on is compulsory. This is not just
ओ
a rule, it is an important part of your English speaking and confidence building journey.
ओ फर्स्ट
Yes,
रूल, कैमरा ओपन इन एवरी पर्सन, ओनली फॉर गर्ल्स, नो गर्ल्स,
yeah,
ओनली बॉयज।
they have their own choices. Okay,
ओ,
if they want,
गर्ल्स के लिए चॉइस है।
yes, because there may be someone is doing pauda. Okay, because of this.
गुड।
Yes. So why is the rule camera important? Helps you stay focused and attentive throughout the class and creates more
यस,
interaction between the teacher and students. makes the class more engaging and interactive, and builds confidence while speaking in front of others, and helps you become
Yes.
comfortable with facial expressions and body language. So, gives you a
Wait,
real,
wait only 1 minute. Why
okay,
our camera is off?
okay, gives you a real classroom experience instead of simply listening to a lecture. Okay, ensures active
Yes.
participation and reduces hesitation, helps you gradually overcome the fear of speaking English. Okay.
Yes, yes. Yes. So now start and on
Hmm.
camera.
Okay, so I think you got it. Okay,
Yes.
and everyone is going to follow this rule. Hmm.
Yes.
Yes. So if you are going to see it, you can read it, and every day we are going to follow. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So let's start our class for today. So yesterday we were reading about the chapter 11. Chapter 11. Yes. It was about the model verbs.
Model verb.
Hmm. So yesterday we completed our story. Wait 1 minute. Role play. Yes. So this
Yes.
story, yesterday we completed this story, learn through a story. Okay. The
Yes.
वेडिंग प्लानर्स प्रॉमिस, कल हमने ये स्टोरी कंप्लीट किया था। और स्पीकिंग
जी।
प्रैक्टिस, यहाँ पे कुछ स्पीकिंग के प्रैक्टिस हैं जिसको हम मतलब कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। Like speaking
जी।
practice, practice saying the following sentences aloud with a natural polite tone. Record yourself
Polite.
if possible and compare with a partner. So, like round one, solo speaking, say each sentence 3 times. So, what you have to do the practice in these sentences, there are some sentences which is written, just you have to practice it by yourself. Like, could you please repeat that? So, you have to just speak, say each sentence 3 times. Like, could you please repeat that? Could you please repeat that? Could you please
Could you?
repeat that? So, like this, you have to say all the sentences for the 3 times. Okay. So, if you are going to speak for the 3 times, it means you are going to understand it. Okay.
Understand.
Yes. So, the second sentence you can start speaking.
You should take better care, better,
Better
better
care
care
of your
of
health.
your health.
Hmm.
Yes. You should take better care of your health. Would you like to join
3 times
use?
बोलना था ना, थ्री
अच्छा,
टाइम्स है
three
यहाँ पे।
times. You should take better care of your health.
Hmm.
Um, would you like to join us for lunch? Would you like to join us for lunch? Would you like to join us for lunch?
Are you
I
getting the
want to.
meaning of the sentence?
Yes,
It is clear?
yes, yes.
Okay, what is the
Word
meaning?
मतलब चाहना, चाहना होता है ना,
हाँ,
word. Hmm. क्या
yes.
तुम पसंद करोगे लंच ज्वाइन, मतलब लंच ज्वाइन करना चाहते हो, लंच, यही ना?
हाँ, हमारे साथ, हाँ।
हाँ, हमारे साथ। अच्छा,
ओके।
हमारे साथ किसका लगेगा?
अस है ना वहां पे।
लंच अस, हाँ अस का आएगा।
हम्म।
आई वॉन्ट रेथर, आई वॉन्ट रेथर फ्रेश दिस टुडे द
रेदो।
टुमारो देन
रेदो।
टुमारो, रेदर रेदर।
हम्म।
I would rather finish this today than tomorrow. I would
टुमारो।
rather
टुमारो।
tomorrow, tomorrow,
टुमारो।
tomorrow, tomorrow,
टुमारो।
tomorrow,
यस।
tomorrow. I would rather finish this today than tomorrow. We should be more careful with our time. Our time.
हम्म।
We should be more careful with our time. We should be more careful with our time.
ओके, सो इट मीन्स यू गॉट द मीनिंग ऑफ एवरी सेंटेंस। ओके।
ये आई वुड रेथर, रेथर का
हाँ,
क्या है? फिनिश टुडे
रेदर
एंड
मतलब
टुमारो।
इसके बावजूद, आई वुड रेदो फिनिश। हाँ, फिनिश
इसके अलावा
दिस टुडे देन टुमारो, मतलब आज ही मैं कंप्लीट करूंगी कल से अच्छा, ऐसा।
ये
ठीक है।
यस ओके।
हाँ, कल से अच्छा मैं इसको आज ही कंप्लीट करूंगा, आज ही फिनिश करूंगी। So this was the round two pair practice role play. Okay, like
यस
work with a partner. Student A makes a polite
ए
request or offer using could, should, or would. Student B responds naturally. Swipe roles after 5 turns. Okay.
फाइव,
यस, सो ये
अच्छा
था
इसको
रोल
फाइव।
प्ले। अभी कोई तो है नहीं कि मतलब एक स्टूडेंट ए होगा और स्टूडेंट बी होगा, जो दोनों बात करेंगे। लाइक कुड यू हेल्प मी मूव दिस टेबल। बी वाला बोलेगा
हाँ जी।
श्योर, आई वुड बी हैप्पी टू। ओके, बट ओके, सो यू कैन वी कैन प्रैक्टिस इन अनदर क्लास। ओके,
सो
बिकॉज
आई, हाँ ओके ओके।
क्योंकि अभी कोई है नहीं ना, तो अभी कैसे प्रैक्टिस करेंगे।
तो
अभी 2-3 लोग होते तो हम दो दो लोगों में प्रैक्टिस करा देते हैं। Hmm. So practice exercises are there. Like there are 4 to 5 exercises which you have to complete. Okay, ये तुमको खुद से करना है। Exercise 1, fill in the
हाँ
blanks. आपको blanks में fill करना है। Fill in each blank with could, should or would as appropriate. जो भी appropriate है तीनों में से कुछ एक तो fill करना है आपको। ठीक है। यहाँ पे क्या fill करोगे खाली जगह। You
ये यहाँ पर
please
होगा
pass me that salt. The
would
salt.
you please pass a salt,
हम्म।
मतलब पास क्या तुम कर सकते हो, तो यहाँ पे आएगा कोड यू प्लीज
नहीं
पास
नहीं नहीं
मी
नहीं
द सेंट,
नहीं।
रिक्वेस्ट
सबसे
करना
पहले
होगा।
सबसे पहले सेंटेंस को पढ़ो, उसकी मीनिंग को देखो, उसके बाद फिर जज करो कि क्या लगेगा
देखो,
उसमें। ऐसे ही फटाक से क्यों
यू
बता रहे हो।
प्लीज, यू प्लीज पास मी द सॉल्ट, तुम मुझे, अच्छा, शोड यू प्लीज पास मी द सेल, क्यों,
नहीं
क्या तुम मुझे नमक पास करना चाहोगे?
नहीं।
वुड आएगा क्या सर? लास्ट तो वुड ही बचा है।
हाँ,
वुड आएगा क्या? वुड मतलब,
कुड बताया तुमने।
नहीं वुड नहीं बताया हमने,
कुड।
कुड और शुड बताया था।
कुड बताए।
नहीं नहीं वुड नहीं।
कुड बताए।
वुड यहाँ पर आया नहीं, वुड हमने बताया नहीं, लेकिन लास्ट है तो मुझे लग रहा है वुड ही आएगा, क्योंकि
कुड
अच्छा
आएगा
कुड
कुड।
नहीं आएगा। कुड आएगा।
हम्म।
कुड का माना चाह, क्या चाह मतलब, चाहो,
हम्म। सकते के
कुड,
माने में हो सकते हो।
सकते।
कुड यू प्लीज पास मी दैट द सॉल्ट। क्या तुम
कुड
मुझे
यू
वो
प्लीज,
नमक दे सकते हो, ऐसा।
हाँ
ठीक है। सो अभी सेकंड में क्या होगा बताओ, सेकंड को सोच
ठीक
करके
है।
अच्छे से।
योर फ्रेंड, यू
यू।
वुड अपोलाइज, मतलब ये तो होता है प्यार से बोलना।
हाँ।
सॉरी, मतलब सॉरी में भी आता है। मतलब
हम्म।
ये देखो, यू और अपोलाइज मतलब एक सॉरी भी होता है टू योर फ्रेंड, तो यहाँ पे आना चाहिए, हाँ ये आएगा यहाँ पर, शुड आएगा, शुड,
यस, ग्रेट।
क्योंकि यहाँ पर आएगा कि यू शुड अपोलाइज योर फ्रेंड, क्या
हाँ,
तुम,
शुड आएगा। यू शुड
हाँ
अपोलोजाइज टू योर फ्रेंड।
हाँ
मतलब यहाँ पे एक एडवाइस दे रहा है, एक सजेशन दे रहा है कि तुम्हें अपने फ्रेंड से माफी मांगनी चाहिए।
माफ़ी मांगनी चाहिए।
हम्म।
जी।
Okay, so you have to do
आई
all the
लाइक,
exercises like this. Okay, and there are
यस यस,
this is the second exercise. make sentences, like make your own affirmative sentence using the given model verb and situation. Okay, so you have to make the affirmative sentence like could talking about a past ability. ठीक है, कि तुम पास्ट की एबिलिटी के बारे में बात कर रहे हो, तो यहाँ पे आपको एक सेंटेंस बनाना है। ठीक है,
जी।
हाँ,
तो
सेंटेंस
पास्ट
कैसे
के बारे
बनाओगे?
में बनाना है। तो टॉकिंग अबाउट ए पास्ट एबिलिटी, अच्छा पास्ट को टॉकिंग अबाउट ए पास्ट एबिलिटी
हम्म,
किसको मिला के किस तरह से एक बना के, जैसे
देखो अभी क्या करोगे, जब समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो इसको कॉपी कर लो। ठीक है,
हाँ।
आ जाओ इधर, पीटीआई इन क्या है? देखो तुम यहाँ से आइडिया ले सकते हो। ठीक है,
हाँ।
लेट्स सी। तो बहुत टाइम ले रहा है।
आई थिंक नेटवर्क इशू की वजह से हो रहा है।
हम्म, इतना टाइम तो लेना नहीं चाहिए। है ना?
हाँ यही तो, टाइम ज़्यादा ले रहा है।
थिंक में क्यों है? ये ना असल में दूसरे पे लगा है, इसीलिए तुम दूसरी जगह देख सकते हो ना। लेट्स सी दिया। ओके, यहाँ पे देखते हैं। देखो, could talking about a past ability, like I could swim very well when I was a child। एक सेंटेंस मिल गया तुमको, आई कुड स्विम वेरी वेल, मैं बहुत अच्छा स्विम कर सकता था, व्हेन आई वॉज ए चाइल्ड, जब मैं चाइल्ड था। ठीक है, म्यूट म्यूट योर सेल्फ, अगर
यस
कुछ
यस।
बोलना रहेगा तो बोलना। ठीक है, म्यूट करो। यस, सो गॉट इट, लाइक यहाँ पे क्या सेंटेंस बनेगा? हाँ, समझ में आया?
आई वुड लाइक टू सी
यस, ये समझ में आया क्या?
आई वाज।
सेंटेंस क्या बनेगा फर्स्ट में?
यस।
ओके, good. So like we have to do all the exercises like this. Okay, so you are going to get the benefit. And the next, like exercise 3, change into negative form. So there are some sentences like she could finish the project on time. So आपको कैसे चेंज करना है? She could not finish the project on time, she couldn't, ठीक है, इस तरह से आपको निगेटिव में चेंज करना। एंड एक्सरसाइज 4 विच इज अबाउट द चेंज इनटू क्वेश्चंस, इसको आपको क्वेश्चंस में सेट मतलब इसको चेंज करना, जैसे यू शुड हेल्प मी, यू शुड यू कुड हेल्प मी, तुम मेरी हेल्प कर सकते हो, ठीक है, यू कुड हेल्प मी, कुड यू
Yes.
हेल्प मी,
Yes.
सो आप बनाओगे इसको कुड यू हेल्प मी, क्या तुम मेरी हेल्प कर सकते हो, इस तरह से आप क्वेश्चन बना सकते हो, ठीक है। And the next is about the exercise 5, which is error correction. So like each sentence below has one mistake, rewrite it correctly, ठीक है, correctly इसको write करना है। And exercise 6, conservation practice, conversation practice is there, like we have to ask the question A and B answer like A, uh, a question and B answer. So we have to do the exercise like this, and this is about the exercise 6. Exercise 7, choose the correct model, could, should and would. Okay, and we have to make it. It was about the 7 exercise, and then these are some personal practice sheet, okay, which is very important. If like write your own sentences for each situation below using could, should or would appropriately, so you can write your sentence. And the next is like
Yes.
chapter summary, like key uses of could, key uses of should, key uses of would, and there are some important rules as well, like always use v1 base form after a model verbs, okay, and daily speaking patterns are there. Now like this is a conclusion of the chapter, okay, and after that like recommended references and done. So now we are going to read the conclusion of this chapter, okay. So yes, Nur Muhammad, you can start
Okay.
reading, okay.
Yes.
Yes, so please read it, it is visible,
Yes, visual.
okay, so you can read, okay.
Could.
Yes, start.
Power. Spoken.
I'm not able to listen
Is.
to you. Okay, speak like properly. I'm not able to listen.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Yes. Could, should, and would are three small words that carry uh,
Carry, enormous
carry
power.
carry carry enormous power in speaking English. They
Spoken
are
English है ना?
spoken English. They are the difference between sending sounding blunt blunt
Sounding
and
blunt and sounding polished.
polished, between giving and order and giving thoughtful
Thoughtful,
advice
thoughtful,
thought thoughtful advice
thoughtful,
in the thoughtful thoughtful
thoughtful, thoughtful.
thought thoughtful
Hmm.
thoughtful advice in the in this chapter you learned that could expresses past ability polity
हाँ?
request
क्या है?
permission polity
Polite,
हाँ
polite
polite
request.
request polite request permissions and possibility should is
Possibility.
used
Hmm.
for advice duty and expectations and
Expectation,
would
expectation,
expectations and would
expectation, expectation,
is
expectation.
expectation expectations
Yes, say it for
and
5 times.
would is
Say it
the
5 times.
expectations
Hmm.
expectations
Hmm.
and would is the model of politeness
Politeness बताया है अभी यहाँ पे
polite
polite, polite, politeness.
yes
Hmm.
politeness, uh,
Preference.
preference, invitations, and imaginations.
Invitation.
You
Invitation.
invita- invitations and imaginations,
Imagination. Imagination.
imaginations. Your practiced
You practiced.
the you you practice the correct structure
Hmm.
for affirmative, negative, and questions form, and you learn the accidental rules.
Essential.
Always
Essential
use the
rules.
essentials rules. Always use the base verb after a model. Never add to end and never stick to models. Eh, oh, yeah. Wait.
Hmm.
Models. Thirders, you also studied 10 common mistake
Studied.
you can
You also
studied
studied.
10 common mistakes you also studied
Studied.
10 common mistakes
Studied.
studied studied studied
Hmm.
studied 10 common mistakes so you can reco- recognize
Recognize.
and avoid
Recognize.
and never stick to models doctor. You also then in your speech you are asking a favor, giving guidance, or offering something kindly. These three
Offering
model
something
verbs will
kindly.
offering something kindly, then in your own kindly.
These three
These
modal
three
verbs.
model verbs will help you communicate with warmth,
Warmth.
respect,
Warmth.
mm, ha, worth, respect, and confidence. Practice the exercise in these chapters. Daily
Exercises.
use these patterns. Exercises exercises in this chapter. Daily use these patterns in real conversations, and you will notice people responding to you with more trust and care. And essay at
Is.
Shafiq English Academy
Is.
is
Hmm.
it is at Shafiq English Academy. We believe that true fluency is
Fluency.
not just about
True
grammar.
fluency.
Fluency, true fluency is not just about grammar.
Fluency.
It
Fluency.
is
F
about
L
speak
U E N C Y. Fluency.
fluency,
Fluency. Fluency.
fluency. Yes,
Fluency. Yes.
is not yes. It's not just about grammar. It is it is about speaking with courtesy,
Uh,
courtesy and hard
courtesy.
and
Courtesy.
courtesy, court, courts, courtesy and hard and could, should, would, are exactly,
Exactly.
exactly,
Exactly.
exactly, exactly, exactly the word that make that possible.
Make
तीन
that
तीन चार
possible.
चार जने कॉल है और that make possible.
Okay, good, good,
अरे कॉल
amazing.
आ रही थी
So
बार बार
you okay,
कॉल आ रही थी बार बार एक की
okay. So like you have read it, and you can see like how many mistakes are there, like pronunciation mistakes. Okay, so how much hard
Yes.
work you have to do. Okay, and if you are going to follow one simple habit, reading every day, so you are going to remove all these things. Because if you are going to read, you have to see the pronunciation of all the words. So every day, if you are going to see the five pronunciation in a month, how much pronunciation you are going to know? You can imagine, you can calculate. Okay, so like you are going to get lots of
Yes.
benefit. If but the condition is simple, you have to read every day. So now what you will do after the class, you have to open this PDF, and you have to start reading again. Whatever the pronunciation
Yes.
you think, you have to just search on the Google or Chat GPT, and you have to listen the pronunciation. After listening, you have to repeat it 5 to 10 times. How many times you are going to repeat?
Yes. Yes.
How many times?
5 times. 5 times.
5 to 10 times.
5 to 10 times.
Yes.
Yes.
If you are going to repeat 5 to 10 times, then it is most possibility you are not going to forget it. Okay?
Mm. Yes.
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 So, are you going to do it today?
Uh, yes.
Okay. So, yes, you have to do, because I can give the direction, I can give the action plan. If this is your choice, you are going to do it or not, because you can see like how everyone is reading and how everyone is growing. Because lots of classes you
Mm.
also missed, like you can take some inspiration from uh, Iram Rizvi.
Yes. Yes.
She is from Aligarh Muslim University. She is doing BA LLB, and how fantastic she is speaking. I think you have listened
Mm.
it, and you can take some inspiration from Madiha Chaudhary. She is also speaking well. She is also reading well. So we have to do some hard work, okay? Because they have done the hard work before. Now we are going to do right now because we have time. So if you are learning, so just focus. Otherwise, you are not going to get lots of benefit. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, because I have seen like they are serious. If someone is serious, so he's going to focus.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So I know you are serious, but you have to focus every day on the activities. Okay. So now finally we have completed this chapter, and from tomorrow is Saturday, we will start our new chapter. Okay, so this was the chapter 11, model verbs, which we have completed today. Okay, and the next chapter we will start, next chapter 11, 10, 11. Okay, we will start, we will see, like this is a curriculum. I don't know you have it or not. So like today we have completed our chapter 11, model verbs, could, should, would, and
एक घर
tomorrow we will start this
भाई
chapter, parts of speech overview, chapter 12. Okay.
घर 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 से कॉल आ रही है, अटेम्प्ट करने का 1 मिनट.
Okay, so you can just talk in 1 minute and tell. Okay. Yes. Parts of speech. Yes, are you there? Hello, Mr. Nur Muhammad, are you there?
Yes, I have.
Okay, done. Have you done?
Yeah.
Have you attended the call or not? Yes, no.
Yes.
Okay. Good. So let's move on newspaper reading part. Okay.
Yes, yes, visual.
So let's open the news. Then we are going to read it. Okay.
Yes, yes,
Hmm. So the news is visible.
visible.
Okay. So yes, Mr.
Yes,
Yes, Mr. Nur Mohammed, you can start reading this news, and I will be back in 1 minute. Okay, just you can read by yourself right now from there. Okay.
yes.
Hmm. Read.
Start. हेलो म्यूट हैं आप म्यूट हैं आप द महाराष्ट्र फूड एंड ड्रग एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन FDA suspended the license of five chain restaurant out, outlet, including four Domino's outlet, and issued stop business order against two outlets in Greater Mumbai during that were statewide inspections drive on August 11. Inspection, inspections, inspection.
Yes, Mr. Nur Mohammed, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. So let's read this news today.
Yeah.
Okay. So FDA suspends 13 food establishments licenses across 4 districts in Maharashtra. So four Domino's pizza licenses were suspended in Mumbai and Satara. The Hindu Bureau. Hmm. And during the FDA raids on Domino's establishments at Ville Parle on August 11, 2026, inspections revealed inadequate potable water testing, food storage, and temperature monitoring, pest control measures, sanitation, sanitation, and employee hygiene facilities. Okay. So yes, Mr. Anur Mohammed, you can start reading from there. The Maharashtra Food and Drug Administration (FDA).
Yes. The Maharashtra food
I'm
and
not
drug
getting your
administration.
voice.
Yes,
Yes,
clear.
yes.
The Maharashtra Food and Drug Administration (FDA) suspended the license of five
लाइसेंस
chain
नहीं, सही से
restaurant
देख के पढ़ो ना, लाइसेंस है वो।
license.
लाइसेंसेस ना।
अच्छा हाँ, licenses of five chain restaurants outlet including
चैन
four domain
रेस्टोरेंट।
chain
चैन
chain
चैन चैन।
chain restaurants outlet
रेस्टोरेंट।
in
यस।
restaurant outlet including four domains
डोमिनोज
outlet
आउटलेट्स।
dominant dominant
डोमिनोज नहीं
dominos
जानते हो? डोमिनोज पिज्जा नहीं जानते
हाँ
हो?
हाँ हाँ
तो वही है
यस
डोमिनोज आउटलेट्स।
dominant outlets and issued stop business orders against two outlets in Greater Mumbai during a statewide inspector drive on August 11.
इंस्पेक्शन।
Inspections drive on August 11.
ओके, गुड। एंड नेक्स्ट, द महाराष्ट्र एफडीए
Also,
आल्सो।
also read Maharashtra FDA to introduce and end to end uh,
एंड टू एंड।
trace end to
एंड
end
एंड।
uh, end नहीं है end है
एंड एंड।
ऐसे
हाँ।
नहीं तो ई से है
एंड टू एंड।
अच्छा इसे पढ़ा एंड एंड जाएगा एंड लिखा एंड है
हाँ, एंड। एंड टू एंड।
अच्छा end to end traceability of milk to fight adulterations
अडल्ट्रेशन।
adulteration
अडल्ट्रेशन
adult
अडल्ट्रेशन।
adult adulterations the
अडल्ट्रेशन।
Maharashtra adulteration adulteration the Maharashtra FDA also suspended that licenses of 30 food establishments across Mumbai, Nashik, Palghar,
पालघर।
Palghar and Satara between July 10 क्या एक मिनट हाँ
हम्म
2026 and August 11 2026 over violences
वायलेशंस।
ragging violences
वायलेशंस।
violations why why नहीं violations जब भाई है ना कि लड़ाई वायलेंस
हाँ
वही
हाँ,
वाला है
वायलेशन वायलेशन वायलेशंस।
violations violations ranging from for hygienic and pest control to improper food storage and include inadequate
इनएडिक्यूट।
inadequate inadequate
इनएडिक्यूट। इनएडिक्यूट।
inadequate water testing.
यस।
In Mumbai, the licenses of five establishments were suspended. Three Domino's Pizza outlet operated by
जुबिलेंट फूड वर्क्स।
Jubilant Food Works will
विले पाले।
West Ville Parle Best Borivali Best and R City Mall in
घाट कोपर वेस्ट।
Ghatkopar Kopar Best S Mumbai Metro
अरे
Dhaba
ये सब
and
मुंबई का है।
Gulshan
घाट कोपर वेस्ट
हाँ
साकीनाका, यहाँ पे मैं जाता
Ghatkopar
रहता हूँ, ठीक है।
अच्छा,
हाँ,
घाटगोपर व बेस्ट एस बिल एस मुंबई मेट्रो ढाबा एंड गुलशन द पंजाबी ढाबा इन पंडब एंड बैंडब
भांडुप।
बांडो। अच्छा,
Yes,
बांडो
Mr. Nur Mohammed, it was good and amazing, but
बांडो।
you have to read
यस
more every day, okay? If you want to
यस
improve,
यस
if
यस।
you want to improve, so you have to read daily news and you
हम्म।
have to listen all the vocabulary pronunciation also, because you are like doing mistakes. Okay, so you have to read, you have to see the pronunciation of every word, then you are going to know. Like today you are saying like I have read all the entire the newspaper and I have seen the pronunciation, so it was good. Every day you have to do this, okay, without skipping any single day.
यस।
So let's understand the news. Okay, FDA. Do you know the meaning of FDA? FDA का
नो।
फुल फॉर्म पता है क्या है?
फॉर एफडीए। नो।
तुम्हारी आवाज नहीं आ रही, ठीक है? थोड़ा सा माइक सही से करके बोलो जल्दी
नो।
जल्दी। रुको अभी।
नो। नो। नो।
FDA फूड एंड ड्रग एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन।
फूड ड्रग्स एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन। अच्छा।
सस्पेंस, सस्पेंस करना मतलब
जांच करना।
नहीं।
सस्पेंड। अच्छा, हाँ हाँ, सस्पेंड मतलब वो उसको खारिज कर देना।
हाँ, सस्पेंड मतलब खारिज कर देना ना, हटा देना। 13 फूड एस्टेब्लिशमेंट्स लाइसेंसेस अक्रॉस 4 डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन महाराष्ट्र। सो जो एफडीए है उसने सस्पेंड कर दिया है 13 फूड
हाँ।
एस्टेब्लिशमेंट्स लाइसेंसेस, 13 फूड एस्टेब्लिशमेंट के लाइसेंसेस को अक्रॉस 4 डिस्ट्रिक्ट, 4
ला।
डिस्ट्रिक्ट में महाराष्ट्र में। ठीक है, गॉट इट?
हाँ।
क्या नहीं समझ
गॉट
में
इट।
आया?
यस।
हाँ, क्या नहीं समझ में आया?
क्लियर क्लियर, सब समझ में आया।
4 Domino's pizza licenses were suspended in Mumbai and Satara। 4 डोमिनोज
सतारा।
पिज्जा के लाइसेंस को कैंसिल किया गया है मुंबई में और सतारा में।
सतारा।
डोमिनोज पिज्जा जानते हो ना?
यस, वो एक कैफे की तरह रहता है ना।
हाँ, तो डोमिनोज जब जानते हो तो उसको उसकी स्पेलिंग क्यों गलत पड़ रहा है?
डोमिनोस।
डोमिनोज
डोमिनोस।
पिज्जा जो है पिज्जा के लिए फेमस है, ठीक है? यहाँ पे सिर्फ पिज्जा
हाँ।
मिलते हैं, उसके बहुत सारे ब्रांचेस होते हैं। ये देखो, ये है, ये होर्डिंग भी तुमने कहीं ना कहीं तो देखा ही
डोमिनोस।
होगा।
हाँ 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 हाँ।
ये होर्डिंग देखा होगा ना, ये वाला होर्डिंग, ये वाला, ये वाला, ये वाला।
हाँ, देखा है, ये जमालपुर में भी है।
हाँ, तो यही डोमिनोज पिज्जा है, ये सिर्फ पिज्जा के लिए फेमस है, ठीक है?
हाँ।
हाँ, इसका लाइसेंस कैंसिल कर दिया है, सोचो।
अब ये
मत-
कहीं भी नहीं चलेगा, मतलब महाराष्ट्र और सतारा में किया है।
हाँ, आउटलेट पूरा थोड़ी बंद किए है, कुछ आउटलेट जहाँ बन रहा था वहां पे कुछ हाइजेनिक इशू पाया गया इसलिए। सो द महाराष्ट्र फूड एंड ड्रग
हम्म।
एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन। देखो यहाँ पे एफडीए का फुल फॉर्म लिखा हुआ है, ठीक है? एफडीए का फुल फॉर्म क्या है?
अच्छा, हाँ, फूड एंड ड्रग एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन।
Yes. So the Food and Drug
अच्छा,
Administration
हाँ।
suspended the licenses of 5 chain restaurant outlets। 5 चैन रेस्टोरेंट के आउटलेट को सस्पेंड कर दिया, उनके लाइसेंस को,
कैंसिल।
इंक्लूडिंग 4
हाँ।
डोमिनोज आउटलेट्स। उसमें से 4 डोमिनोज के आउटलेट भी हैं। एंड इश्यूड स्टॉप बिजनेस ऑर्डर अगेंस्ट 2 outlets in Greater Mumbai during a state-wide inspection drive on August 11। ठीक है? सो एंड इश्यूड, और वो इश्यू किया है स्टॉप बिजनेसेस ऑर्डर्स, कि बिजनेस के ऑर्डर को मतलब स्टॉप कर दिया है अगेंस्ट 2 आउटलेट्स, 2 आउटलेट के अगेंस्ट में, इन ग्रेटर मुंबई, मतलब ग्रेटर मुंबई में, ड्यूरिंग ए स्टेट वाइड इंस्पेक्शन। डू यू नो अबाउट द इंस्पेक्शन मीन्स? इंस्पेक्शन का मीनिंग क्या होता है, जानते हो? प्लीज स्पीक इमीडिएटली, यस नो, बताओ चलिए, जानते हो कि नहीं?
यस यस, मतलब इसकी जांच करना।
हाँ, इंस्पेक्शन मीन्स जांच करना, ठीक है? और यहाँ पे आप उसको देख
यस।
सकते हो। inspection,
Inspection.
so are you able to listen the voice?
Inspections. Yes, yes, yes.
Inspection.
Inspections.
Inspection.
inspection. So इस तरह से तुमको ये
Inspections.
यहाँ पे प्रोनाउंसिएशन सुनना है और उसको 5 से 10 टाइम तक रिपीट करना है, ठीक है? यहाँ पे सुनना है ऐसे।
Yes.
Inspection.
Inspections.
ठीक है? इंस्पेक्शन,
Inspections.
ठीक है? ऐसे सुनना है और उसको रिपीट करना है, ठीक है? So
Inspections.
you are going to improve.
Yes.
I think this is
Yes.
enough for today, okay?
Yes.
Okay, amazing. So every day now you are going to read the newspaper, okay?
Yes.
Okay, great. So if you every day you are going to read and every day you are going to record your voice, so you are going to improve, okay? Because everyone is improving, so you have to also improve yourself. And there are lots of
Yes.
students now in the class, so you can take some inspiration of others. Listen to everyone's video and no audio, and just listen and understand what everyone is talking, how they are speaking, who is speaking best, and how can I implement for myself also, okay?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, so yes, do it. So now we are going to move on the speaking part. So what is our today's topic?
The importance of water.
Water?
Water conversations.
Go and see and tell what is this.
See, Guru.
अरे देख के बताओ ना, अगर नहीं पता है सही से तो जल्दी से।
Yes, yes. The importance of water conversations.
सही से देखो।
The importance of with water ही तो है, water conservation है, conversation
नहीं,
conservation conservations
कन्वर्सेशन क्यों बोल रहे हो?
हाँ, conservation
मतलब तुमने मतलब टॉपिक देखा और उसको बस लाइक कर दिया एक बार।
conservation अच्छा, हम conservation conversation समझे, conversation
तो बताओ टॉपिक पे हैव यू प्रिपेयर्ड अबाउट दिस टॉपिक और नॉट?
इसके बारे में तो अभी इतना नहीं पढ़ा, लेकिन
so whatever you
importance
know
of
you can speak, okay? So let me briefly
Yes.
just introduce about the topics and then you can start speaking on this topic, okay? So hello everyone, good evening. Today I'm going to speak on this topic, the importance of water conservation. First we have to just understand what is the meaning of water conservation. Water conservation simply means save the water. We have to save the water because water is very essential part of human's life. Because without water we can't imagine our life, because every hour we need water. In the morning, if you are going to wake up, you are going in the toilet, in the bathroom, you need water. After that you are
Yes.
going to the bathroom to just wash your face, you need water. And after that, if you are thinking like I have to take bath, then you need water. And after that, if you are going to just wear everything and you are going to take your breakfast, in breakfast also you need water. So in everywhere you need water. So water is very important in our life. So what we have to do, we don't have to waste the water. We have to conserve the water. We have to save the water, because water is limitless. There are some reasons in the world, not in the world, in our India also, the people are not getting the water, because the drinking water is very less now. So we have to just save or conserve the water. Water conservation simply means like we don't have to waste the water. We have to save the water so we can use it and our next generation can use it. Okay? And then
Yes.
how you're going to save the water? There are some steps. Suppose you are able to see like there is a tab which is open and money is wasting. Someone just opened it. So you have seen. You can close the tab. So the money will not be waste. This is the one reason. And after that, if any pipe is there is any pipe, just there is a leak in the pipe and water is just wasting on the ground, then you can
Yes.
just, yes, you can just call the plumber and you can inform to others like water is wasting here and you can just stop it. So like now I hope you got the point. Like water conservation simply means we have to save the water. We don't have to waste our water, because there is a scarcity of water. It means there is a less water, and most of the people are predicting like the next war will be happen about for the water. Like people will just battle for the water because there will be no water. Suppose if like there is no water, so how many days you are going to survive? I
No.
think 3 days, 4 days, but there is no water. Like you can't drink, you can't wash your face, you can't use anything. There is no water. So can you imagine the life without water? How much
No possible.
difficult? Yes, how much difficult it will be. Like so, because of this, water is a essential part of our life. So we have to save it. We have to conserve it. And there are lots of like two things I have told you. And there is a one more thing. Like if it is raining, so there is a one process. You can conserve the water. You can put something in the tree on your terrace. So you are going to conserve. You are going to just take the water. So all these steps are there for the water conservation. So now I hope you got the
Yes.
idea how you are going to
Yes. Yes.
talk about it. Yes. So you can
I
start
know.
speaking on this topic. Okay. Yes.
Yes.
Walaikum.
So, Assalamu alaikum. Uh,
Walaikum.
Today my topic, the importance of water conservations.
Hmm.
Conservations.
Yes.
So, water is very important daily life. So, no survive without water in one day.
Hmm.
No possible. So, full life is no possible without water. So, water is no wasting. Water is very important. Save. Uh, what you and me only 2% save. No, no. All India and all world save water. So this is very important. Uh, for example, water is important for uh, pupils. No, water is very important. Animals, tree, plants,
Yes.
and agricultures. and uh, parrot and parinde matlab yes. So water is environment is one start environment. Water is possible, so environment is safe. Water is not possible, environment is not safe. So environment is not safe, so your life is not safe. So oxygen is no provide.
Yes.
Oxygen is uh, plant, true plant, tree plants. So water is a more option, more uh, tips. But in waste is all waters, but no waste. I request all members so save any water, more waters. So water is washroom, water is drink, water is cooking. Uh, all options is using the water. Water is not using any option, any work is not complete. Yes. So
Yes, it means without water you can't do any work. Yes.
any work is not complete.
Even you
Uh,
can't go to bathroom or toilet if there is no water.
yeah. Yes. Yes. So I hope complete.
Okay, yes, done. Thank you, Mr. Noor Muhammad. It was amazing. But yes, there are some grammatical mistakes. If you are going to
Yes.
improve
Yes.
you are going to speak every day, and I am going to just correct you. So you have to just repeat it.
Sentence.
Yes, repeat the sentence, and then you have to be consistent. Okay, because yes, you are making some mistakes, but if you are going to speak, you are going to correct. But if you are not going to speak, you are not going to correct yourself, and you will not
Not
be able
correct.
to speak.
Yes.
Yes. So this is the thing, and
Yes.
yes, do well. You are doing great. So every day, these are some tasks which you have to follow, like reading newspaper, and you can also start reading some English books, and also record the voice recording activity, and just in also classes we are speaking. Okay, okay, every day. So
Yes. Yes.
yes, it was an amazing thing.
Good.
So yes, would you like to say something?
Uh, yes. Enough.
Okay, so this is enough for today. You don't want to
Yes.
say anything, like you want to give any feedback for the class? How is the
Uh,
class going on, or how what we can improve more in the class?
I think normally all options is complete, but new uh, points, the rules and camera on is very important, very good,
Yes, yes.
because uh, confidence and
Hmm.
I am no sleeping and join the class,
Yes.
no reason. So camera is open and dress is good and
Yes.
confidently. This is
Yes.
very important. So
Yes. This
class,
is.
I see my friend Jamia Millia Islamia students. So COVID period on COVID-19. So join the class online. So teacher is very dangerous. So backside is no pillar, only white.
हाँ.
Color white. Very matlab rules. Class
हाँ.
online is जैसे offline class. For example, offline. So very danger class. So
Okay.
this
Yes.
is very important.
Yes, because if someone is not going to open the camera, I don't know what he is doing. He is sleeping, he is eating, or he is walking outside. I am not
Yes.
aware about him. So, but if someone
Yes.
is
Yes.
going to
Good.
open the camera, it means he is going to pay the attention in the class. Okay, and I can see him. Okay,
Yes.
he is paying the attention. So because of this, I have applied like these rules, and we are going to follow. Okay, from today we
Yes.
started
Yes.
following it.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Good.
Yes. So yes,
Yeah.
everything is fine and good, and class is also going well. We are doing great.
Yes. Well. Good.
Yes. So
Great.
finally, like we have 10 students in the class right now, and you
Yes.
can also refer. So we are going to complete 10. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Inshallah.
Yes. Okay. So thanks for today. We will meet tomorrow, inshallah.
Inshallah. Assalamu
Assalamu
alaikum.
alaikum. Good night.
Wa alaikum assalam. Good night.